This is used when referring to the object or person to be pointed out. This also indicates that this object or person is near us. Examples: 1. What kind of book this is was very gripping. 2. Did you break this plate? 3. I'm going abroad this week. Please email me if anything happens. 4. You can still drink this tea hot. Using that, we can understand that the person or object we want to indicate is both singular and pointed out to us in a distant place. Examples: 1. Is that kid looking at me? 2. Can you look at that phone? I have a lot of work. 3. That post looks like yours. I'm sure you sent this letter to me. 4. Let me come. I will go like that. These are used when the object and people we want to point out are plural. We also use these to indicate that this object or people are nearby and are plural. Examples: 1. Please remove these here. Everywhere scattered. 2. These are the most beautiful tables I have ever seen in my life. 3. These weather are very good for me. Those are used to indicate distance objects or people, and we can use those when these distant people and objects are in the plural state. Examples: 1. Those must be your belongings. Can you buy it? 2. Those are not smarter than you. 3. Those are yours. Now you can start writing. 4. Do you see those coming?